So this is step 3 of our new budgeting series. The cash book that we've already created plus the budget will help you in what we call the look ahead or the look forward income and expenses. So you will have a clearer picture of what changes need to be made. Maybe you don't want to make any changes, maybe you don't need to make any changes. But the whole purpose of this exercise is to look at the budget to see whether or not changes should be made. And if you can make changes, therefore the potential for saving, because you're going to cut down your expenses perhaps, you may have extra income obviously, but the potential for savings becomes a much more real situation for you. You will be able to save more in the future. Okay? Brought to you by the Olderhood Group, Bermuda.